Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my small channel. Thank you guys for being here. Today I wanted to talk about validation and when you have a product to sell. It is great to get testimonials to show to customers, but I think a lot of people are selling you snake oil because yes, some people can tell you what you want to hear, but in reality, they're just going to tell you what you want to hear until they actually make a purchase and give you feedback. That's not correct validation because you can't fix a product. They're just going to tell you what you want to hear. Like I had an idea in my head that I was going to collect 100 testimonials that these people love or hate my product. And out of three, because I learned my lesson quick, is that they love the product. But someone at the end kind of slipped up. They were like, whoa. I wouldn't go that far. And that's what I wanted. When I said, hey, well, would you pay for this? And they're like, whoa. I said I like the product, but I didn't say all this other stuff. And that's what I learned. What I want you to learn is get the monetary validation. This is what matters. Anything else, it's just fluff. So eliminate the fluff, get to the meat and potatoes, and sell your product and have people trust you. Because other than that, you look good today. And I don't even see you. So can you really trust that? Yeah. Yes, you can. So, have a good day. And I hope that helps out with your project planning and your sales tactics and strategies. And that's how our approach is. So see you guys in the next video.